Hey y'all, Anson.
And Gladys.
right here at Ivey Sports and Homestead. So, Simple Life Reclaimed has done this Thankful Challenge, and this is day 3 of what we're thankful for. And Gladys is here.
Yay.
So, normally she's really busy with schoolwork and taking care of kids and whatnot. So, this one's actually going to be coming out a little late, mainly because we have to wait for the kids to go to bed.
Or the kid.
The kid now, because the other kid is at her dad's house. Father. Yep. I'm stepfather. Right. So, thankful. Babe, what are you thankful for?
Family.
Family.
I know. It's very cliche, but y'all there. Y'all there. See? Well, yes, I'm thankful for my family and their support that they have showed me. Especially through these couple of years of achieving my bachelor's degree, hopefully by the end of this year. Hopefully, yeah.
That way she can be my sugar mama.
Always with that.
And what I am thankful for this time is actually family / friends, even those I have not met yet here on YouTube, because without y'all, I mean, we couldn't be doing what we're doing now, and there's several things, right? So there's actually 2 people that I want to shout out, and they're actually the same for the Beard Up Challenge video that also released earlier today, and that's Strong's Adventure and the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla. So those are my 2 shouts. Do you have anyone that you want to shout out, man?
You. For being an awesome husband.
Me. So she wants to shout out Naughty Customs.
I said you.
So that's our other channel that I don't do a whole lot on.
You're so full of yourself.
Yeah. I know, but
I want to shout out to my patients because I need a lot of it.
No, I did patience yesterday.
Well, I need it now with you.
All right, y'all. So definitely thank you guys for sticking with us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.